Hey, fifth grade families. My name is Mrs. Compton, and I'm the district math coach for MBUSD for grades TK to 6. And today I'm here to talk with your fifth grader about volume and all things related to volume. So we are going to do a routine called Tell Me Everything You Know About, ... And in this routine, I'm going to show them a figure, and they're going to tell you or write down everything that they know about this. All right, so are you guys ready, kids? Here we go. Tell me everything you know about this. Take a couple seconds. Let's look at it. All right, let's name some things. All right, so I'm going to take some guesses for what you may have said about this. So I'm going to guess you probably named this shape. So this shape is called tell me. It's called a rectangular prism. And this rectangular prism is built out of cubes. Did anybody write down how many cubes they thought it was made out of? If so, what was your guess, or how many cubes did you figure that it was made of? Let's see. Maybe some of you even figured out the number of cubes that this was made of by looking at the layers. So there was a layer of orange and there's a layer of green. So maybe some of you even thought about that and you knew that there was a layer of 6 green cubes and 6 orange cubes, and together that would be 12 cubic units. And when we figure out how many cubes take up space, or how much space is taken up, we call that volume. So the volume of this figure is 12 cubic units, or 12 units cubed. We could say it either way. I'm going to guess that some of you probably noticed some other things too. So I'm going to guess some of you already knew the vocabulary word face. So this is one face, and this is another face. Do you know how many faces there are in a cube? Let's see if you can tell me. Figure it out. All right, kids. How many faces are in a cube, or a rectangular prism, shall I say? This is really a prism, rectangular prism. All right, so let's check it out. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we went top, side, bottom, other side. Now we've got the front and the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Okay, so this rectangular prism has 6 faces. All right, what else did you know? I bet that some of you probably knew the vocab word vertex. So a vertex is right here. You see that? I'm going to zoom in. There are 3 faces that come together. So there's like 1, 2, and 3. And they give that point right there. So that's called a vertex. Everybody say vertex. Vertex. All right. And then when you have more than one vertex, we call them vertices. So how many vertices are in this rectangular prism? See if you can figure that out. How many vertices are there? All right, you probably figured out that there are 8. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. And let's see, I wonder what else you guys probably figured out. Maybe you even thought 1/12 of this, maybe you thought 1/12 of this was dark green. Maybe you were thinking about fractions too. Maybe some of you said half was green and half was orange, working in those good fractions, good fraction practice, right? You could see that half and half right here. So you guys, maybe you've thought about layers, you've thought about vertices, probably faces and volume. How about edges. Did anybody think about edges? Those are different than vertices. Edges, you can run your finger along like this at the, right there. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4. How many edges are on this cube? See if you can figure it out. All right, this one is a little trickier. You really have to think carefully. So as I ran my finger around the first time, I went 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the edges on the top were done. So then we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges on this rectangular prism. All right, kids. So I love when you tell me all the things that you know. So tell me in the comments, did I get what you knew about this, or did you notice something else that I didn't even say? All right, ready? Go. See you guys later.